Oh boy, I sure do love camping in Papua New Guinea with a bunch of slasher stereotypes. Let's see now, we have the virgin, which is me. We have the slut with muscles, Chad. Slut without muscles, Veronica. The annoying theater diva, Sharpie. Suicidal emo kid, Josh. First victim who insists on being called Bob. Smart glasses girl, Amy. Wow, man, those birds are like really annoying, man. Like, oh, so they're incel birds who are angry at the world for being incels instead of improving themselves. I get it. I wish I could be dead like Amy. Hey, only I get to verbally abuse Amy. Just finished reading the dictionary, nerd. Stop bickering, okay? One of those birds might say the M-A-C-B-E-T-H word. Man, like, what's wrong with Macbeth? Don't say it! Okay, us theater kids are allergic to it. Very allergic to it. Don't worry, guys, I have the perfect solution. Murder! One shooting montage later. Ah, that was an epic shooting montage, wasn't it? Say, what does that sign say? Don't murder the incel birds or the incel bird will come for you. I'm not scared of pronouns, so screw you. Yeah, like, speaking of ominous warnings and all that stuff, like, where's first victim? Like, I haven't seen him in a while. Do you want something? Oh, hi there! Yeah, so, awkward thing. I need to kill you to, meet my Sasha quota for the year. Yeah. Whoa, are you killing me first? Only because I'm eating stereotypical black food? That's kinda racist, not gonna lie. Yum. Oh, no, I can assure you that it is not racially charged. You see, I have a little die right here. Let's see, 1 is you, 2 is you, 3 is you, 4 is, do the deed, or are you? Okay, fine, maybe it is a little skewed in your odds, okay? I'll re-roll it again, okay? Let's see, 1 is gonna be you, 2 is gonna be, Chad, 3 is gonna be Veronica, 4 is gonna be Sharpie. Oh, okay. You can roll the die now, alright? If it chooses me, that's fair. Okay. Is that a claymore? Boom! Oh, man, like, look at that tree go on fire. Now, like, what other stupid thing can we do? Well, let's see. We, littered, we started a forest fire, we killed local wildlife, yada yada yada. The entire ecosystem's gonna fail in about 2 years. Is there any other stupid things? I don't know, we could raise the dead. We invited Josh. Hey, there's some oil that was suspiciously left by a bird dude. Oil? Mr. President, Agent P reporting. I have eyes on the oil. I can confirm it is enough to pay for your helicopter. Do you want me to take the shot? Yes, sir. The oil is secured. Wait a minute. Chad isn't watching Josh being emo. Wherever could he be? Yeah, he's gonna miss me using my off-brand demon Bible. Don't worry, I'll go fetch Chad to watch the demon summoning. He can't miss this. Chad, where are you? Oh, hi there. Hi there, Macbeth. Okay, have fun dying. Okay, despite Sharpie not being here, I'll still summon the zombie, okay? Now everyone be quiet while I perform the spell. Latin words. Holy crap, it worked. Sorry, you guys know you're in a horror parody, right? Okay, well, I'm gonna go back to hell. Oh my gosh, and that means... Oh my gosh. Veronica, do you want to do the deed with me? Well then, I'm gonna take a convenient nap. Yeah, I'm like always down to do the deed, so like, let's go. Patty cake, baker's man. Oh, can I do it with you guys?
No,
man.
get a better face than maybe.
Hey, where is everybody? Oh, so there was an Incel Bird who's been picking us off one by one, and we're the last two left. So I really am a virgin. So, you're like the last person I need to kill for my slasher quota, so can you, like, die, please? That'd be very helpful, thanks. What about Amy? She's already a corpse, my guy. Oh my god, Amy! Wait a minute, I can't kill you yet. You have to see all the bodies while I walk menacingly towards you. Well, I'm sure that'll scare somebody. Anyway. Oh no! He turned Shadow to a government compensation check! Oh no, they turned Sharpie into a continuity error! Veronica and Josh have the deed to Toad Hall stuffed in their mouths. Where did he even find it? Oh no, I've seen all the bodies, which means... Level up, running unlocked. You may be able to run, but there's one thing no incel can resist. The masterpiece of gaming, Lego Star Wars for the Nintendo DS. Yeah, die, Darth Maul, die. That's what you get for killing Qui-Gon Jinn, you son of a beeswax. Okay, that was the 258th tap. I think you should be dead. Was it like a breeze or something? Hi, can I turn in my government compensation check for a nuclear strike at my coordinates? Oh, you can? And there's a nuclear shelter? Wonderful. I'll be there right now. Oh, there's a second sun. Huh.